After Prime Minister Modi's much talked about state visit to the US, the Indian Prime Minister is all set to visit France for a 2-day visit starting 13th July. The Indian Premier will be the chief guest at the Bastille Day Parade in Paris on 14th July. The PM's short visit will be dominated by the spectacle of Indian soldiers taking part in one of the largest military parades in Europe, which will again underline that defense cooperation remains a mainstay of bilateral ties. His visit is also expected to usher in a close partnership between India and France in defense, space and technology. The Indian Prime Minister will be accompanied by a business delegation of top CEOs during his France trip. He will also address the Indian diaspora at La Scene Musical on Thursday. So, what will be the Indian Prime Minister's official schedule in Paris? As per his current schedule, he will arrive in Paris on Friday, July 14th and take part in a dinner hosted by French President Emmanuel Macron at Louvre on the same day. As per reports, around 200 guests have been invited to the dinner. Modi will also go to the La Scene Musical, where he will address the Indian community. Friday is Bastille Day, commemorating the storming of the fortress prison in Paris that marks one of the most important events in the 1789 French Revolution. Since 1880, it has been marked with the military parade on the Champs-Élysées, which has seen occasional participation of foreign contingents. Indian soldiers took part in the parade in 2008 with Prime Minister Manmohan Singh in attendance. Once again, Indian Prime Minister Modi, as the guest of honor at the parade, will witness a tri-service contingent parading through the main avenue of Paris. They will also take part in a meeting with the Indian and French CEOs on Friday. This year, a contingent of the Indian Army from the Punjab Regiment and Rajputana Rifles will also march in the parade. The Indian Army had fought in France and Belgium during the First World War. A contingent from the Indian Navy and Indian Air Force will also participate in the parade. IAF's Rafale fighters will be a part of the fly past on Bastille Day alongside French jets. Modi's visit is likely to boost defense cooperation between the two nations. India intends to procure 26 Dassault Rafale maritime aircraft for the INS Vikrant aircraft carrier. The Indian leaders' trip could result in the announcement of an agreement between New Delhi and Paris in this regard. Defense Acquisition Council is expected to give a nod to an intergovernmental agreement to acquire the fighter jets before the visit. India may also sign a deal for constructing 3 more French-origin Scorpene-class diesel-electric killer hunter conventional submarines at the Mazagaon Dockyards Limited in Mumbai. India has built 5 Scorpene-class submarines at MDL. The 6th Kalveri-class submarine INS Vakshir might be commissioned next year. This would echo a similar outcome of Modi's US trip when an MOU was signed for the transfer of technology for GE engines for India's indigenous fighter jet program. The countries could also see cooperation in the space sector. Indian Space Research Organization and France National Centre for Space Studies have set up an Indo-French working group for India's human spaceflight mission Gaganyaan. The current golden period in India-France ties can be traced to the 1998 nuclear tests, when Paris was the first major power to open talks with New Delhi, which evolved into a strategic dialogue. France had also opposed imposing sanctions on India. Incidentally, France had become the third-party supplier of fuel to the Tarapur reactor, with blessings of the United States in the wake of sanctions triggered by India's first nuclear test. France often looks at India as having a similar view on strategic autonomy, with both countries balancing relations with either camps. Macron was perhaps the only major Western leader to have sustained a personal relationship with his Russian and Chinese counterparts. His remarks about European position vis-a-vis Taiwan, which he later clarified, were greeted by indignant objections on both sides of the Atlantic.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.